everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings here. Then we click in this window of apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will go to in this page you will click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone. So please don't forget to support us.